See one more question. Following is the profit and loss account of Mr. Shekhar for the year ending 31st 3 2019. See, some debit items is given, some credit incomes is given. See, salaries. So for salaries there is adjustment. Salaries include 12,000 paid to workers employed at home. So workers employed at home, in the sense it's a personal, no. So we need to take 12,000 is disallowable. Out of 3,30,000, we need to consider this 12,000 as a disallowable. Are you getting? Next, office expenses 36,000. It's a business expenses, right? No need to take anywhere. Next, depreciation is given. So depreciation is given. Any depreciation is given in the adjustment? No, right? So any depreciation is not given in the adjustment, we need not to take anywhere. Are you getting? So if in case any adjustment is given in the we need to consider, but no adjustment is given, we need not to take anywhere. Next, to sales tax. So it's a business related expenses, no need to take anywhere. Next, to legal expenses 16,000 is given. See, for legal expenses there is adjustment. Legal expenses include 2,000 paid to the lawyer in connection with personal case. Personal case, in the sense it's a disallowable, no. Out of 16,000, 2,000 is disallowable. Next, income tax is a disallowable. Next, expenses on acquisition of patent rights, so it is also disallowable. Next, to repairs 12,000, no need to consider anywhere. Next, donation disallowable. Next, provision for bad debts disallowable. General expenses, any adjustment is given for general expenses? No, right? It's allowable. No adjustment is given. If any adjustment is given, we need to consider. So next, credit side. Gross profit, no need to consider anywhere. Bad debts recover. See, but bad debts recovered, there is adjustment. Out of bad debts recover, only 8,000 were allowed as deduction earlier. So out of 20,000 bad debts recovered, 20,000 no, 20,000, 8,000 is allowed earlier. So we need to deduct 8,000. Next, another 12,000 we need to consider as a disallowable, right? Are you getting? So 20,000 is given. Out of 20,000, 8,000 is allowed earlier. We need to consider this 12,000 is disallowed earlier. Next, dividends. Dividends is a non-business income. We need to take under the heading non-business income. Next, rent from house property, it's also non-business income. Next, commission is a business income, no need to consider. Next, brokerage, it's a non-business income, no need to consider anywhere. Next, sundry receipts is a business income, no need to consider anywhere. Next, share of income from HUF. So HUF, in the sense it's a non-business income. We need to consider under the heading non-business income. See, net profit as per profit and loss account given, no. It is given 88,000. Next, salaries. Salaries, there is adjustment. See, 12,000. This 12,000 we need to treat it as a disallowable out of 3,30,000. Next, legal expenses 2,000. Out of 16,000, 2,000 is related to his personal case. Next, income tax disallowable. Expense on acquisition of patent rights. So any capital assets purchased, we need to consider disallowable. So for patents, we need to calculate depreciation, no? So 24,000 patents they are purchased. They did not given any date. So if in case they given date, we need to calculate days, right? In previous problem, we know. Next, donation disallowable. Provision for bad debts disallowable. So out of so if you add these disallowable expenses, you will get 62,000. 88,000 net profit, 62,000. If you add, you will get 88,000 plus 62,000. You will get 1,50,000. So next, bad debts recovered earlier but disallowed earlier. Bad debts recovered is given 20,000. Wait a minute. 20,000 is given in the question. So if they given 8,000 is allowed earlier, we need to consider 12,000 is a allowable expenses, right? Next, dividend 6,000 non-business income, rent from house property non-business income, share of income from mutual 6,000, depreciation on patent rights. We need to calculate depreciation for patents. 25% is standard depreciation rate according to income tax rules. 24,000 into 25%, 6,000 you will get. So if you add these items, you will get 48,000. 1,50,000 minus 48,000, you will get taxable income from business 1,02,000. Very simple question. See, if you have any doubts in this question, no doubts, right?